Hey everyone, I know I'm a little bit late with this video. It's been a crazy week, but I just wanted to say yay! Thank you so much to everyone who have been part of this community. This week we hit 1,000 subscribers and counting. It has been such an amazing journey this year making these videos for you. I am so excited to continue making them and building this community. And I just want to, send out my appreciation to all of you for following the channel, for all the amazing feedback that you have given me over the last year, for all your awesome questions, for just helping me feel like I'm making a difference and giving you guys all good content that's helping you, feel more prepared for feeding your babies. And I love hearing from you. I love getting your questions. The topics that have seemed to kind of gather the most interest over the past year have been nipple shield use, interestingly enough, pumping, different pumps, different lactation equipment. So I'd love to bring you more of that. I'd love to bring you more of what you all need. So please feel free to reach out to me with recommendations for future topics, for things that you all need. Let me know what you think would be helpful. And yeah, stay tuned because I feel this amazing community growing here, and I would love to offer you more support and maybe more live support in the form of either like a membership, support groups, just more interaction within our community so we can all connect live. Let me know if that would be something that would be helpful to you all. You can either comment down below on this video, or I will also I would love to hear from you on Instagram if you follow at People's Lactation on this handle, and DM me. I would love to hear feedback on what kind of support, membership, classes I could offer that you all would be interested in taking part in. So thank you again. I'm so excited that this community continues to grow, and I look forward to bringing you all more videos. If you're new here, I do try to post a new video each week. I would love for you to join the community, so give the video a like, subscribe down below, make sure you hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you're going to be notified each week when a new video is posted, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!